What's going on, guys? Charlie Watson here with Beechmont Ford Performance. Tonight I have a treat for you, something that I would be very surprised if you've ever seen before. A 2018 Ford Transit with 5,000 horsepower in it. And no, that's not an exaggeration. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna walk around the van. I'm gonna show you how the power is delivered, talk about the transmission and what makes a Transit need 5,000 horsepower. Let's check it out. Now with the amount of power we're putting down, we upgraded to the Hancooks. These are 235s, so it's gonna have plenty of rubber to deliver that power, make sure everything gets fun but safe. Now this is a huge factor. This is a 6-speed select shift transmission. Really helps, especially when you're dealing with this kind of horsepower and torque. The beauty of this setup is, to the untrained eye, you would swear this thing is completely stock. Just like Hellion with their new sleeper system, we've come up with a way, again, to get 5,000 horsepower in this Transit. The thing that makes this really cool is, of course, the Transit under the hood you saw is not very big, but what it does have that other cars don't, lots of room in the back. So we decided to change up the game a little bit, and my Camry was hauling, and use the back of the vehicle to utilize more space for more power. Now in this form, this kit makes, like I said, about 5,000 horsepower and right at 80 pounds of boost. So just wanted to show you guys, really excited. Another shipment of our Whipples have finally arrived. Still waiting on stage 1s for the 2018 Mustang, but we do have stage 1 F-150 kits in here, as well as stage 2 2018 Mustang kits with, of course, the new Gen 5. If you have any questions or would like to build a car of your own, whether it be Roush, Whipple, whatever it is that you're trying to accomplish, Beechmont Ford Performance is the answer. Broke my Fitbit. It's ridiculous. That was the wrong box. I just did all that to show you the new Gen 5. All right, just a peek. Beautiful. I think it's gonna be well worth the wait.